Hi, I'm Keiko Kira, founder of Keiko Furoshiki. Our second collection, Wagara, is a celebration of traditional Japanese colors and patterns. Wagara means a traditional Japanese pattern or design often seen on kimono and other textiles. So these 8 designs are inspired by the bright color and patterns of Wagara. Oftentimes on kimono fabric or other textiles, you may not see those very vibrant colors. But because being Japanese American artist, and I love just the vibrant colors and infusion of different palette. One of the things that fascinates me about working with something traditional is the story and the symbolism. The first collection was developed to honor my mother's memory, whereas the second collection is bringing in the tradition of beautiful Japanese fabric and patterns, which have been going on for centuries. I really hope that you enjoy our new collection and hope that those prints will bring something wonderful to your household.